how to make my ginger shots and my tropical juice. Do you know what? When I looked in the shops at how much these ginger shots cost, anywhere up to £3 at the minute, that's ridiculous. Make your own. Anyway, I do love a ginger shot, even if it is a little bit spiky. Ooh, I do like it hot. Anyway, first up, ginger shots. How do you make them? I take 3 oranges and juice them. I pop it into a jar because it makes it easier to add the other ingredients. I then add half a pineapple juiced and 3 apples. I'm just cutting them in half because it does make it easier for the machine, but you want a real zingy apple, something like a Braeburn or a Pink Lady. A Golden Delicious isn't going to cut it. And pop that into the jar. And I'm using around about 3 inches of fresh ginger that simply I just peel and then add to my machine. If you don't like it as hot, don't put as much ginger in. Then I'm adding some carrots, roughly around about 4 to 5 big carrots. I don't peel them because my fruit and vegetables are organic. However, if they weren't organic, do peel them. And then I just stick this into the jar. Whoops, steady as you go there, Emily, going overboard. Again, give it a good old shake. And some people ask, what do I do with the rest of the carrot? No, it doesn't go to waste. Often it can go in carrot cake and even salads. I do like to use these little shot glasses. I will put all the details in my bio and of course my Amazon storefront. I like these glasses because you can wash them again and again, and of course they've got sturdy lids. Now for tropical juice. This is 6 large oranges. And when you squeeze your own orange as well, the smell is just like something else. It is beautiful. Now, my husband likes a little bit of the pulp. I don't, so we go half and half. Now, it takes a lot of the orange out, as you can see there, but I don't even waste the rind. I will use that and freeze it for things like my olive and orange cake, which is delicious. Then you want to take half a pineapple, and again, you blitz that. Now, this is so super simple, I know, but there's something quite refreshing about making your own juice. And orange and pineapple is a favourite for breakfast in our house. Again, I do like to give it a good shake. And if you've noticed that I'll use that little funnel again, which came with the other bottles, in with these beautiful little bottles. Again, I'll give you all the details in the bio. It is so super simple to make your own juices, and I'll be making more in the future. So if you want more recipes, you know where to come by now. It's my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.